Why can't you screenshot on Netflix? Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I'll explain why you can't screenshot on Netflix. Well, Netflix doesn't allow screenshotting of content on its platform because the goal is to make it difficult to pirate movies and shows. Well, due to privacy and other issues, Netflix does not allow for screenshot. The company's official usage policy states that you must get their permission before showing any screenshot of their content. Well, have you ever wanted to share or save something from Netflix? It could be an interesting caption, captivating scenery, or even a heartwarming reunion between the characters you love the most. In all of these moments, a quick screenshot can be the perfect way to preserve the raw emotion or even create funny memes, right? Netflix prevents us from taking screenshots because of the Still Right Management DRM. It is a way to protect copyright material from being copied on digital platforms. So, it's the reason you can't screenshot Netflix. Hope you like the video. Like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.